Today I'm going to talk about memory view in Python. How can we do this? You can create a variable like x and memory view. Memory view is a function, but it's a data type in Python. Without using byte array or bytes, keywords, you can't use memory view data type. Then I use bytes, and you should give the values in your parentheses like this, and you can print it using print x. And after running it, we can see this. This typically represents a memory address where an object is stored. Thanks for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.